Okay, we gotta make sure these are all stirred up. Hold on.
Ooh, look at the colors. Sam, what colors did you guys do?
I do blue.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Adrian, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
See how?
Oh, yeah,
see
you want
how
blue
it's
too.
fizzing?
Did
It's not.
you like that blue? Yes. I like that blue.
My favorite's
It
red.
could be blue.
Babu likes
I
red.
like red.
Here, look, and we've got Mamu,
Here
and
he is.
Great Mamu, and Bright
Coming
Blue.
in for a kiss.
What's the pista cup? I'm the pista cup.
It's still fizzing, so it's not quite ready.
Oh,
Ow.
oh, do you need a kiss?
It's stuck.
Oh, I thought you hurt yourself.
Guys, look, the pista cup.
There's Kendra, the master of Easter egg dyeing.
Yes.
It's gonna be
We're
more
taking a
like
video.
referee.
She's making a
Yes.
video.
Oh,
she is? Oh,
Okay.
my word.
Yes, say hi.
Hi,
We're going to try to put this on the internet.
I'm remembering when it was Lello in our Uno
Lello.
days.
Yes. Oh, did I say Lello?
Called it Lello.
I don't know why that's creepy that I think I actually remember that.
I won't
Okay,
forget
hold
that.
on.
What color are you gonna do?
Adrian, did you guys go eat pancakes today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you play? Sam, how many pancakes did you eat?
10.
10.
I think he said that last Easter.
Yeah.
Look, guys, I got a lot of stickers.
Oh, cool.
I need